Okay, example number 4. To produce silicon, which is used in semiconductors, from sand, a reaction is used that can be broken down into 3 steps. So these are the 3 steps used sa unsa ni pag-produce og silicon from sand. So sand is SiO2. Calculate the enthalpy change for the formation of 1 mole of silicon from carbon monoxide and magnesium chloride as byproducts. Okay? Asa kuno gikan? Unsay ma-form? Unsay ma-form niya? Siya formation of 1 mole of silicon. So, kana siyang formation of 1 mole of silicon, mao ni siya product. No? Product na siya. With carbon monoxide and magnesium chloride as byproducts. So, meaning, kani sila, these are also CO and MgCl2 kay product pod ni siya. So, this should be on the right side of the equation. Okay? Asa man gikan? Unsa may naa sa reactant? Asa man kuno gikan? Asa man gikan mag-produce og silicon, no? To produce silicon from sand. So, kani si sand, naani siya sa, asa man na siya? Naana siya sa reactant nga side. Okay? So, ato na siyang tan-awon diri sa tulo ka equation. This is already Hess law. SiO2. Asa may SiO2? It's here in equation A. And SiO2 is already in the reactant side. Okay? So, take note. Reactant. SiO2 on the reactant side. So, okay na siya. Let us highlight this. Next. Say sunod. Calculate the enthalpy change for the formation of 1 mole of silicon. So, asa may naay silicon dire? Silicon is here. Let's highlight this. It's here, here, and here. And take note nga 1 mole sad sila tanan. Okay? So, diri nga equation, naa siya sa product nga side which matches this. Naapod ni siya sa product nga side which matches this also, but here silicon is on the reactant side. So, napailain. Pero carbon monoxide kuno is also a product. Asa may carbon monoxide? So, naa diri in this equation. So, let's highlight that as well. Carbon monoxide. Asa pailain? Wala na. And then, or let's highlight the blue one para pa-indicate nga dapat naa siya sa product nga side. Carbon monoxide and magnesium chloride. So, si magnesium chloride, kay naapod daw siya kinahanglan sa product nga side. And in the third equation, na si magnesium chloride din sa product nga side. And then, we are also going to highlight that. So, what could we possibly do to the 3 equations para ma-form ni nato kani formation gikan sa SiO2. So what do? We are going to simply, kay in position naman, so we are going to add equations A, B, and C. A, B, and C. So let's copy that. SiO2 plus 2, by the way, this is solid, plus 2 carbon, producing silicon, plus duha ka carbon monoxide, okay? And then we have Si nga solid, plus duha ka chlorine gas, then we have SiCl4 gas, and then SiCl4 gas, plus duha ka magnesium producing 2 MgCl2 nga solid plus Si nga solid. And delta H here is 689.9 kilojoules, and delta H here is negative 650 57 kilojoules. And delta H here is negative 625.6 kilojoules. And we are going to add the 3 equations. Okay, now take a look at the 3 equations. Naaba tayo makancel, naabay pariha sa isig ka kilid. The answer is yes. So as we can see, kani si SiCl4 is here. Kani siya nasa reactant, kaniha nasa product, pariha sila og coefficient, so we can cancel them. Cancel. Okay? Sunod. So, pailaing makancel. Take note nga na itulo ka Si. 1, 2, 3. So, kani si Si diri, ug kani si Si diri, pwede ra sad na nato makancel. So, napatay isa ka Si nga mahabilin diri. Tanawa ha? Ang atong reactant baya kay si SiO2 na diha. Nga sa reactant. Unya dapat sa product kay naay isa ka Si. Isa pa. Naay carbon monoxide ug naay MgCl2. Okay? So, let's try to see kung unsay mahabilin sa equation. Let's write. Unsa may mahabilin sa left side? We have SiO2 solid plus, di man makancel si carbon, no? Walay makancel si carbon, so we will just copy that. Duha ka carbon solid plus duha Cl2 nga gas plus duha ka magnesium solid. So, yung nahabilin sa right side na ay duha calcium monoxide plus duha ka MgCl2 nga solid plus Si nga solid. Okay? So, that is our final equation, but we will try to check first whether they are balanced. So, kinahanglan, mabalance gyud ang mga elements. It should be a balanced equation. Let's try to see. For silicon, na ay isa ka silicon diri, there is also one here. So, it's already balanced. Okay? For carbon, kani siya carbon, unya na may 2. So, duha ka carbon. And on the left side, we have also 2 carbon atoms here. So, balanced. For chlorine, pila man itanan? This is 4. Kay 2 nga subscript, nya 2 dire, so 4 tanan. And looking here, we have 2 nga subscript pod, we have a coefficient of 2, so 4 pod tanan. We have magnesium here nga duha, and on the left side, we have magnesium pod nga duha. And sa pailain, we have oxygen here, and then times 2, so the duha ka oxygen, and then naapoy duha ka oxygen. So, it's already balanced. So, what we did, ang ato orang gibuhat, kay gi-add ni siya. So, therefore, kaning tulo, ato ra pod nang i-add. So, the change in enthalpy of, unsa kani siya? The change in enthalpy of producing silicon with carbon monoxide and magnesium chloride as byproducts from sand is the summation of these 3 change in enthalpies, and that is equal to negative 592.7 kilojoules.